You bend. Don't be afraid. Do not shoot you. Bend it like this. Hello guys. Do you know that there's some electricians that don't know most of the electrical materials names? As we all know, electrical work, especially conduit, it comes in 3 stages. The first stage, which is the conduit stage, where you install your pipes, your conduit accessories inside the wall of the building or the resident you are running that conduit work on. The second stage is the wiring stage. Then the final stage, which is the fitting stage, then you power the building. But recently I just realized that most electricians don't know some of their names. So you're not the only one on this show. I was once in it in the sense that a few years ago, when I was learning this electrical skill, we had a job, a decking job. My boss asked me to go get biscuit for him. A layman understanding, or those of you who are not in the field of electrical, if someone says biscuit, we all know biscuit is snacks. But that day I was very shocked. I had to rush down to the nearby store to get biscuit for him with the little money that was left, the one I used to purchase water. So when I got down, I got the biscuit. So when I climbed up to hand over the biscuit to him, he started laughing at me. He said, "This isn't what I meant by biscuit." I was surprised because I know from all indication what I brought is biscuit. Then he told me that every field has their own technology. Every field has the way they call their things. Doctors, plumbing, every field. So electrical field shouldn't be left aside. So that was when I learned that biscuit, relative to electrical, is a stone, a concrete stone. It's just like a cement that is molded. You put it beneath the iron to protect your pipe. You raise the iron up, it lifts the iron up to the height you want it, then your pipe goes down to ensure those iron don't harm your pipe or don't destroy them or compresses the pipe. That is what that biscuit does. So that was when I learned it. And the reason why I'm saying this is recently most electricians, because there was a time I was working on the site, I asked my boy to go and get something for me. He went and brought something else. That was when I realized that it's not everybody that knows it. So I had to sit them down and teach them everything. I told them, this is the name of this item. This is the name, one after the other. And now they are conversing with it. But I don't want all my followers or anybody watching this video to go through what I went through or what my friend went through. So I came up with this idea of listing out the most important things in electrical, their names, their uses, and when it is supposed to be used. Now with me here, everybody knows this is a PVC pipe, conduit PVC pipe. The reason why this thing is important in electrical is because of the hole inside here. So you put it, you hide it inside the wall, then later on you pass wire through it. It's a PVC pipe. Now this one here is called, and this one it comes in various sizes. We have 20 mm, 20 millimeter, and 25 millimeter. I don't have 25 here. That's why I brought 20 mm. The one we have here is 20 mm. This one is 20 mm PVC. And this, in my right hand, is called 20 mm U-way box. As you can see, this is U. This thing here represents U. That's the alphabet U. It comes in various sizes. This one is 20 mm. We have 25 as well. So you only use this when you are making use of 20 mm pipe. This is when we use it. This one is called 20 mm U-way box. This one is 20 mm 4-way box. As you can see, their ways are 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 20 mm 4-way box. I will list out the uses and when it's supposed to be used. This one is 20 mm T-way bus. T-way bus. If you look very well, this is how T is. 20 mm T-way bus, 1 and 2 is a T sign. 20 mm T-way bus. This here is a May bush. I'm still trying to figure out how this name came in place. May bush. This is May bush. Just keep in touch as we progress. I will list out, after listing out their names, I will list out their uses. This is May bush. This is 3x3 knockout bus. This is a metallic knockout bus. We have plastic as well. This one here is a 3x6 knockout bus for your double socket. 3x6 knockout bus. 2 of these makes up one of these. 1 here, 1 here. So this one is 3x6 knockout bus. This one is a plastic type. We have the metallic as well. And why this one is called a looping bus, 20 mm looping bus. This one is called looping bus. Now this is our gum. This is our gum. It's very important when running conduit piping. This is our gum. And why this one here is our bending spring, 20 mm bending spring. We have 25 as well, 20 mm bending spring. So without this, there's no way you bend this. I'll list out the importance of this later on this video. Please, if you are watching this video and you like what I'm doing, like, share this video, share this video, and follow as well. This is 20 mm bending spring, and this is saw blade. Even non-electricians know this. This is saw blade, coupling. And what does this word coupling rings in your mind? Couple, marriage, husband and wife. So it takes only 2 people to marry. So this is called coupling. I don't know why this has to be, why they figure out the name coupling in electrical. So this is called coupling. And so far so good. These are the basic things we have so far. But later, as you can see, there is no adaptable box here. But on this video, I will attach it to this video. Then you see adaptable box. We have adaptable boxes of 4x4 adaptable box, 6x6 adaptable box, 9x9 adaptable box. Let me list out their uses one after the other. This 4-way box enables one to pipe when you want your pipe. As though you want to pass pipe from here in 4 different places. Pipe it from here to here. You want to distribute your wire in 4 different places. That's when you use this 4-way. Use this 4-way. It is commonly used on decking piping. Now it distributes light on 4 different places. 1, 2, 3, and 4. With the use of this 4-way box. Why this one, which is a T-way, it distributes light in 3 different places. Let's say you want to send light in 3 different places. There's no point of using a 4-way, but you can equally use this when you don't have this. All you need to do is just close one side and make use of the 3 places. So this is it. It's a T-way. It distributes light this way, and down here. Why this one? This U-box is only used on wall bracket. This one we use it. You loop light from one place to another. It's U-box. This is U-box. Put it like this. Light goes this way and goes this way. 2-way. Remember, this one is 3-way T-way box. This one is 4-way. there is one that comes with one single one stop end, but we don't have it here. Just like this, but it just has just one point while other side are closed. We call it stop end. So this is it. This one here is 6x6 knockout box. 6x6 knockout box. So you pass your pipe screw from here to here and here as well. But now, if you look very well, if you don't want to pass this like this, you use this May bush. This May bush enables you to pass. You put it this way, put it like this. You put it like this, then you easily fit in your pipe. You see how it looks? You can as well do it. Make sure you put this one down, then you screw it. It has a thread. You screw it like this, then you put your pipe. This is it. This is it. And you repeat the same thing here with this 3x3 knockout box. This one is used to install our switches at home, and this one is for socket, your double socket. This can equally be used for your single socket, and you install it. So this is it. This is it. Please, if you like what I'm doing, just like, share. If you're on YouTube and you're watching this, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. So now this one is called looping bus. This one is called looping bus. It is often used on bungalows to run the piping, and you cannot use this without a May bush. As you want to pass two pipes, put it like this. Your May bush is intact, then you screw it. You screw it like this. You screw it like this. You see it? There's a hole here, and what? Look very well. And look, this is it. So now this pipe here, so you socket it like this. You socket it like this. So you pass your wire through here, then it comes out here. There's a hole here. It comes out here. Now, how then do you bend your pipe? Let's assume this one is here. And this one is here. And I want to bend this pipe to fit in here. That's why this bending comes in place. It comes in place. Then you bend it. Or if you want to bend this like this, put it here. Put your hands like this, put it like this, then you bend. Don't be afraid. It will not shoot you. Bend it like this. Look at it. So without this thing, without this bending spring, let's look at this one. Let's assume we want to bend this. We want to bend this one. Without this bending spring, let's see. It will damage. So this helps us in bending our pipes, the angles we want. Then our saw blade helps us to get the length we want. Now you use your gum to make sure it doesn't pull out. And if I put this thing, if I couple it like this, while drawing my wires, it can easily pull out. But with the help of this gum, when I put this gum, it will hold it very well. It will not pull out. It will not pull out. one now. I put this one now. Look at this. It will pull it. And this one. See how strong it is because of the help of this gum. This empty element, it has coupling. One of the ends of the mouth. The full length has coupling. Look at it. And you can easily couple this like this. A situation where you don't have this coupling at this other end of the pipe and you want to join together. This coupling helps us to join two pipes together. But a situation when you don't have this coupling at one end of the pipe, like this one, and look at this one doesn't have it, this one doesn't have it. There's no way you can join these pipes together. So that's when this coupling comes in place. So it couples this pipe and this pipe together. In other words, it marries this pipe and this pipe together. So you put this, and it has, if you look carefully, if you look very well inside, there's a stop end inside here. And you put this inside, and you use this other one to put it. And see, it is now on. If you are new on this page, just subscribe to this channel, like, and click that notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you, and thank you for watching as well. Comment your respective nation wherever you are watching this video from. You are watching